This is happening right now. This is happening. I don't know what's happening, but this is happening. Oh, he's just centering it right now. Muffler bearings failing.
So this was originally so you just said, you know what, I'm going to stop this magnet right now.
So do you have the 4.2 still?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Somebody want it? I want a 4.2.
That wouldn't even fit in the engine bay.
Not bad attitude.
Manny, you got a torch? Ah, he got a torch. We'll make it fit. I think he's still got to set the RPM too. Yeah, that thing wants to go. Everything's spinning. We'll see what happens. I think my heart's beating a little faster now than it did with the P100. This is, yeah. Have you seen a conversion on the Dyno? I haven't seen a conversion. I haven't seen a conversion like this, first off. And I sure as hell haven't seen it on the Dyno. I don't know what's going to happen. Hopefully, oh, definitely good things. What's that? Yeah. Anywhere between like 410 and 440 is what I've seen. Well, the torque is going to be higher. I think the power is going to be lower. And the only reason I think of that is because on the Teslas, it goes right into the transmission. It goes a couple of reductions into the axles. On this, it's going into the transmission, into a center diff, into two differentials. There's just going to be more. I think there's going to be more parasitic loss on it, but I think it's going to put down some torque. Yeah, it's not even out yet. I'll open it up. It survived. $359 and $453. What the hell? Bro, that is a mid power.
That's
curve
pretty
right
damn.
there.
That's awesome, dude.
I'm gonna use my cell phone for that.
You got 59 horsepower?
What do you think of that? At 453 foot-pounds is pretty serious. Yeah. Why, did you put it in 236? 136.
That fan feels so good.
That it does. What do you think?
10, 11 mile roll.
That
Like closer to 15, yeah. So it wouldn't bug anything out.
so yeah, I like that. I do too. You want to run it? Well, you want to run it again? Yeah. Let's do it. What do you think?
I don't know. I'm definitely making 450 at the, you know, how much volts and amps I'm pulling. So
Yeah.
I don't know.
Because my P85, it's put down 417 on one dyno and 440 on another dyno. So I just call it like a 420 horsepower
It
car.
should be at least that.
Yeah.
You know, I can't believe Quattro would lose, like, you know, all that. That doesn't make sense.
Yeah, that's a lot of torque though. I don't think it's the Quattro. I think it's the gearing. Because your tires are shorter and your gearing is a lot higher.
Right.
So this thing will pull a fucking house down. Oh, aren't you also down on charge?
What's your charge?
Oh yeah, so he's gonna be down. What's that? 47%. Oh, so that's actually not a bad power number then. At 50% battery?
Well, he had 80 at first, didn't he?
Oh, he just said 47%.
No, I thought he had 80 and it went down to 47 after his first run.
Oh.
What I'm saying is him going home and stuff. You know what I mean? I want to be like.
$359 and $449. That's dead consistent. So what's your power? What's your battery charge?
47%.
That's actually some impressive numbers,
So
man.
you're saying that at 47%, that's what you're seeing on the...
47%, my car turns into a slug.
Really?
Yeah.
Do you have a charger?
How long would it take?
I don't know.
Can you supercharge?
No, not yet.
No. But you can level 2,
7
right?
kilowatts per hour.
Yeah, I don't have anything here for that.
Yeah, that's fine.
So
We got outlets. How long will it take? You know?
we'll do it again next week.
Yeah, and the steaks are cooking here. We can spare half hour.
Oh yeah, you can get some mileage
Depends
back.
on what, you know, if we're gonna, you gain, you know, from 46 to 56.
Yeah, no, I'm at 367 volts right now. Full charging 402.
So you're down 35 volts.
So you can do, that's about, say 40 times 1,000, 100.
All right, listen, we don't have time for that. How long would it take for you to get to a good enough that might show a difference?
2 hours.
For what, like 10% of the truck?
Something like that.
You have a charger with you?
I didn't bring, that would be slow. That would be level 1.
Oh.
Level 2 charger.
Uh,
Charging station type of thing.
and there's none around here.
But it's 2 hours.
Yeah.
I got all day, but you know.
And it's not like we have to shut down at 8 o'clock because of the noise.
No, yeah.
Yeah, I could, I don't know, put it, like, I don't know, next week or something like that, put it, like, near a charge in the morning, and then...
What will we be looking for as far as gains?
It should
A
be at least
lot.
how much a Tesla is. That's the same motor, you know, and I'm lighter, and, you know,
Yeah.
so I don't know.
Well, with
Weight
mine,
has no difference here. It's just whatever drivetrain loss to the motor, to the actual wheels and axles.
If I'm making 420, I'm gonna say this should make probably right around 400 at the wheels through parasitic loss and everything. The torque is gonna blow the Tesla out of the water. But I know mine when I'm down 40, 50 volts, it's a difference between like 4.0, 4.1 to 60 and like 4.7.
Yeah.
Like it's down.
That's where I'm at then, yeah.
And
I didn't realize it would be such a big difference.
It's that top 10%.
Just where you want to do it, yeah.
It's like, I think it's almost like an overboost situation.
Oh, yeah. No,
So,
I know, yeah.
like if you run these cars from like 50 to 80%, they'll make 380, 370s around there.
Yeah.
When you top them off completely, that top little percent gets you like another 30, 40 horsepower. And just from what I've seen.
Yeah. Oh, then
So-
fuck yeah.
So I mean, he's the dyno guy. It would have to work around his schedule.
Yeah.
So
I just drove, I don't know, like 80 miles.
and you still have that much charge in
Yeah.
conversion. That's absolutely impressive. Good job.
Thanks, man.
Good job.
Yeah.
That's awesome. There's porta potties there, and Manny. Can he use your bedroom?
No, man. Please just go.
Okay. I don't know. He just walked in.
Yeah, you know where it is. All the waiting area to the right.
So what do you think about that?
I think it's awesome, man. I personally would like to have the money to buy a Lotus Exige, gut it out, and then
And do
literally, yeah. But I would
Make
like
your
to
own-
actually,
make your own roadster?
I would actually like to make it overdrive. You know, I don't want to.
Ooh.
I wouldn't want to actually just sit there and spin. I wish it actually.
So something like the Audi all-wheel drive, motor in the back, split.
Potentially.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I could definitely stuff a K-Series in the back. No problem. Make it 600 and then just do 2 little motors in the front for track.
That would be ridiculous. That would be insane.
A bone stock 820 out of a 06 SI with a 58 millimeter wheel, full spool at like 4,000, makes like 460 on pump, 14 pounds, and makes 560 on 85 at 17 pounds. And this is spooling up at 4, revving to about 9. So
In
the power band is
a
bananas.
Lotus. In a Lotus.
In anything you put that motor in, but in the Lotus, yeah, that'd be insane. I love the car to death. It's their loop, it's an aluminum box, so
Yeah.
they hold crazy value. I had one here the other day, and the guy's actually selling it for the
Even
35K.
even though they're this big,
Huh?
they're tiny. They're like they're,
Believe it or not, it's just getting in and out is the pain in the ass, but
Yeah.
they're
Once you're
they're
in, it's
good,
fine?
Yeah, they're a good size. Did you see it on my Instagram?
yeah.
And orange too. Oh,
Oh,
it's like
he's in heaven.
It's the Exige, which is supercharged. I could care less about the motor, the supercharger. But it's
What
got
is
like
it?
better arrows, it's got the little duct, it's got the wing.
What does the
nicer
Exige have?
looking
It's
one.
got a Toyota motor in it, right?
Yeah.
What is it, 22 RE or something?
180 horsepower to the crank. Yeah, it's essentially like a Camry motor. I
Okay.
think it's a 2.0 liter or 1.8.
Okay.
But it's 180 horsepower. It's pretty equivalent to a Honda motor, but
All right.
nothing crazy for making power. And that thing with a supercharger is putting down 220. So not impressive at all.
Well, what is like the Mugen Honda's put down with a supercharger?
Depends on supercharger kit, but I
Yeah.
just did one with Craftworks, and it was 350 at like 10 pounds on 93 on pump.
That's nutty.
Yeah. No, K-Series is a whole different level as far as